Hello, welcome in a new episode of the episodes of lectures of Coptic language. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the imperative and the interdiction, how to say an order for somebody, and how to prohibit somebody from doing something. For making an order in the Coptic language, we use the verb as is. As is in infinitive, we use the verb. So, for example, we have here the verb ischai. It means to write. So, I want to tell someone, write your homework or write the lesson. I say ischai im biosh. So, I use the verb as is. The verb to write has imperative write. Most verbs are similar to so, but there are a small number of verbs are getting a in front of them. For example, the verb j, it means to say. If I want to give an order to someone, I say so. I say age. The verb iri, it means to do. If I want to say someone do so, I said ari. The verb ini, it means to bring. I say ani. The verb oli, it means to lift up. I want someone to say someone lift something, I say ali. And air, similar to iri, it's ari. There are other verbs begin with t or t. And those verbs, they turn into, we add m in front of the verb ma. For example, the verb t in imperative form, it becomes moi. And the t, if it is compound with other verbs, it becomes ma. And for pronouns, it becomes me. For example, the verb tiho, it means to demand. I want to say demand or ask, so I say matiho. The verb tuvo, it means to clean or to cleanse. To make it imperative, an order, we say matuvo. There are some other verbs, but small number. We, despite the rule of it is beginning with t, we add m in front, a in front of them, like the verb kati, to understand. We say makati, it means understand. There are verbs having an imperative form only, like the verb avis, it means bring or give me. The prohibition or interdiction, we say impair. For example, the verb shibi, it means to be ashamed or to shame. Impair shibi, don't cause shame or don't shame. T in short, to harden. Impair T in short, don't harden, don't be tough. Irkujin heat, to despise. Impair kujin heat, don't despise. Erbes opsh evol, to forget. Ember erbes opsh evol, don't forget. We can use also the form of the future, which is negation of it. For example, in neck, it means you don't. In nes, in natin, you shouldn't do something. For example, in niktako, you shall not destroy. In nes shobi, God forbid. In natin nav, you shall not see. There is another form of the imperative in the Coptic language, using the negation of isre. Isre means to make or to do, and we negate it, negation of it, and conjugation of it. So it becomes MP3 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 MP3. And then we add the verb after we add the noun after it or the verb after it. For example, we have here ben Isre Oshont Shobi Otoy Nemotok. We don't make a strife to be between me and you. You can find this lecture on the YouTube channel CAC on this address, and you can find a downloadable copy on it on archive.org/details /CAC underscore Coptic educational channel and archive.org/details /Coptic educational channel. If you find any difficulty in seeing the font, you can download any of those fonts from the same website, archive.org, or from archive.org/details /Coptic language /Coptic. شبه mod Shatina verotin khin beoshneo until seeing your next lesson. Shat, it means until, ti navi si erotinio khin in pizza osh lesson isneo means next or coming. Shatina verotin khin beoshneo. Thanks and goodbye.